first things first, let's prepare a piece of thin fire paper, because my main work with the Snowflake is the construction. And have a look at my makeshift light table. I used a Morton board, and then I have this box where I have my glass in for the project, and I have a little studio lamp. Place that in here, and then I can just see those lines. That's all I want to see. Now I take a pencil, I mark the center. So now I mark the lines. Okay, this is this step. Now, once we have this one marked, we are going to set it on a piece of Kaiser board. I happen to have this round piece left over from another mold. I carved into it with a comb, and here we go. This is our setup. Now that I have the paper prepared and the shelf prepared, we can cut the pieces. I already cut this one to size so that I can cut me 5 little squares that then will be cut into those pieces. But we also need this square, and we need this piece, and we need the wider strips today. I used to make them fairly small. The piece looks a little bit more elegant, but it's also more breakable. I place this on here. And we're not exacting because we're fusing. We don't do stained glass, so don't worry if you get off a little bit. Cut. And cut. Now we have this one. And I like to clean my glass before I cut it in 1,000 little pieces. Not 1,000. We don't need 1,000, don't worry. Now we need those 2 pieces, and therefore I come in here. Cut here, cut there, and then cut this line. And ready to roll. Some water here to the side, so I will clean it in the water and place it down. Wherever I have a point, this is where the pieces will be. Take the middle one, middle. Yeah, I have more to grab onto. That's so, oh, perfect. If you're having trouble cutting Wissmach glass, just don't press so hard. So we need those later. Place them to the side. And now we cut these. Cutting each one. And in order to get this right, I have to cut this side first. And then I come in here. The hard part is not to move them. And here. Here. And this part. Okay. Once I have them all cut like this, I like to take this here This is a little bit of fuse it tack film to make sure that the pieces stay on the paper. Now I'm taking these here. And have a look. The long ones are closer to the center, and I turn them over to the smooth side and then see how you have to place that. So this one places this way. The next long one, turn it over to the smooth side and add it to the paper here, right on the line. And now you take the two short ones, one on one side and the other, turn around, smooth side down and to the other side. And now at the end we have little triangles. So we take this triangle, we have two, we only need one. We turn it over to the smooth side, to the luminescent, and place it, the arrow going down towards the center. Place that here. Take some of that fuse it tack film, which will seep between the glass and the paper, and will adhere the glass to the paper. Same here, we put the smooth side down onto here and are connecting everything. And for secure, the blue color will fire away, will not harm it, but at least we see where they have glued it. Okay, double check. Idiot me. See this one here? I had the smooth side up. I had a feeling. That's why I double checked. This is good. The glue doesn't glue right away. Wissmach is pretty smooth on both sides, so it can fool you, but I can feel it just a little bit. So I will finish the others.